I typed my email address into this website, just my email. And within 10 seconds, it showed me my location, my school, my workplace, every social media profile I have ever created, and a list of every single password that has ever been connected to my email address. Every single one. Now here is the part that should really scare you. If I know your email address, I can find out everything about you. Let me show you exactly how exposed you really are right now. And more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect yourself before someone else uses this against you. This website is called Behind the Email. The interface is very simple. One search bar, you type in an email address and hit search. Look at what is coming up right at the top. My full name, my current location, my city, my country. It pulled all of this from publicly available data connected to my email address across the entire internet. Now scroll down. This website monitors every known data breach involving my email address, the name of the website that was hacked, and next to it, the password that was exposed. Think about that for a moment. Someone finds your email address. They come here in 10 seconds. They have a list of your old passwords, and most people reuse passwords, which means one leaked password opens multiple doors. This is exactly how most account takeovers happen, just through this. Now, here is something important I want to clarify. Behind the Email is not a criminal tool. It is an OSINT tool. You get 3 free searches every single day without creating an account. And if you need more, they have paid plans for deeper professional investigations. The tool itself is not the problem. The problem is that your information is already out there. Behind the Email just shows you how much. If this type of content is useful to you, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Now you are probably asking, how do I protect myself? And how do I know the moment my data gets breached again? The answer is RoboForm. RoboForm is a password manager. But calling it just a password manager is like calling a smartphone just a phone. Let me show you exactly what it does. The first thing RoboForm does is generate a completely unique, unguessable password for every single website you use. You never have to remember it. RoboForm remembers it for you. But the feature I want to show you specifically today is called the Security Center. This is where RoboForm connects directly to everything we just saw on Behind the Email. Look at this section. Data breach monitoring. RoboForm continuously monitors your email addresses and your saved passwords against known data breach databases. The same breach databases that Behind the Email pulls from. But here is the difference. Behind the Email shows you the problem after it has already happened. RoboForm alerts you the moment it happens and tells you exactly which password to change. It also shows you which of your current passwords are weak, which ones you have reused across multiple sites, and which ones are old enough that they need to be updated right now. Think of it as a complete health report for your entire digital life, running automatically, in the background every single day. Now here is what I'm really excited to tell you. RoboForm is giving everyone a full 12 months of premium access completely free. Here is exactly how to set it up. First, open the link in the description below and enter your email address to get started. Then install the RoboForm extension in your browser. This is what allows RoboForm to save and autofill your passwords automatically every time you log into a website. Once the extension is installed, create your account. This takes about 30 seconds. Now open this link. This is your premium activation link. Log into your account and enter the license key you received. This is what unlocks your full 12 months of premium access. Finally, enter your address details to complete the activation. And that is it. Your account is now fully premium. Remember, this offer ends on 30th May. So set it up today. And if you want to get access to deals like this before anyone else, join our private group. It is open to every person who bought a channel membership. If you found this video helpful, share it with one person you care about, because they are just as exposed as you were a few minutes ago. I will see you in the next one.